Finding freelance work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, 99 Designs, and Freelancer.com is becoming increasingly difficult. That's why we created a tool to make it faster to create attractive proposals for potential clients based on the projects they post on these platforms. Here's how it works. In the first step, you need to add your CV, your rating, and number of completed jobs, if noteworthy, and describe similar past projects you've worked on. Add a list of your skills relevant to the project, separated by commas, and any qualifications or certifications that can highlight you to the client and make you stand out from all other freelancers. In the second step, add the project details, the project title posted by the client, its description, and the platform where it was posted, like Upwork, Fiverr, 99 Designs, or others. Paste all the text you have available, describing the tasks and goals written by the potential client. Enter the project budget or the hourly rate range set by the client. If you want, define your availability in terms of hours you can dedicate and when you can start. Decide if you are available for a free call with the client. Enter your financial proposal to work on the project or the hourly rate you want to apply. Select the language in which you want the artificial intelligence to generate the results. In the third step, add testimonials from your past clients to make your business proposal even more compelling. Now you can start the optimization. I recommend starting by looking at the results generated by MyCVBot's AI, beginning with the optimized profile, which you can temporarily use to replace your profile description on the freelancing platform where the client's project was posted. Then move to the most important tab, the business proposal. This is a complete letter designed to reassure the client about your ability to successfully complete the project. This letter uses much of the information you provided to the AI to generate a comprehensive business proposal, including your availability, your testimonials, and relevant past experiences. Our artificial intelligence even includes the process you intend to use to carry out the project and much more. You can also download this letter and attach it. You can also use the content found in the tab named Message to Client, which is more geared towards a more direct and immediate first contact. You can send this message and attach the business proposal you have previously downloaded. Finally, go to the Q&A tab to prepare for a potential meeting with the client. Here, you'll find up to 10 questions that might be asked before assigning you the project. We recommend reading them before having your call with the client. Try the MyCVBot Freelancer tool now. Sign up for free. Visit our website, mycvbot.com.